Welcome to this video about the audience dashboard. I built it to save time when preparing broadcasts, because with different autoresponders and different audiences, sending one good email can easily take 30 minutes or more. This is the download page. Download the file, unzip it into a folder, and then choose the launcher for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. I have already extracted it here, so I can open the folder directly. Double-click the file that matches your system. The first start can take a minute and you need Python installed. The setup steps are explained on the page, so follow those instructions if it does not open immediately. After the dashboard opens, the first thing to do is go to Settings and enter your license key or activate the free license if you are using the free account. Then go to Connections and choose the autoresponder you want to use. The free account can connect one provider. For this example, I will use AWeber. Click the Connect button and log into AWeber. AWeber gives you an authorization code. Copy that code, paste it back into the dashboard, and click Connect. Now the account is connected. Here you can see the lists that were imported from the autoresponder. You can mark one list as a test list. You do not have to do that, but I recommend creating a list with only yourself or a few of your own email accounts so you can send a test first. You can hide lists that should not be shown, and you can also mark lists where you do not collect names. In that case, the first name personalization will be removed automatically. The important part is the notes field for each list. Add a short description of the audience, how they joined, and why they are on that list. Later, the dashboard can use that information to adapt the same email for different audiences. Then the message feels more relevant instead of sending identical copy to every list. When the list information is saved, go to Emails and add the email you want to send. There is also an AI writer option, but for this demo, I already added a test email. You can add templates and select them here. If you save a preview, you can review how the message will look for each autoresponder. Then go to Campaigns, give the campaign a name, and choose the email. The subject line can stay blank if you want to use the existing one, or you can overwrite it. If you add your API keys, the dashboard can rewrite the email with AI and test up to 3 subject line options. The AI can pick the best subject line based on the list information, or you can choose one manually and use it for the campaign. One feature I am working on next is social scheduling through Zernio, so the same content can also be prepared for social channels. I also plan to add direct WordPress posting and later support for Twitter or other channels where it makes sense. Another planned option is MCP support. You will be able to add your own MCP server or expose this dashboard as an MCP server. Tools like Claude could write an email and push it into your dashboard. Below the video is the free account link. Please leave feedback so I can fix what is not working. Thanks for watching.